is a symbol of the victorious cross. We thank you for choosing us to share in your prophetic ministry, especially in teaching and caring for the young people. I thank you for having called me to follow your footsteps as I labor and serve my fellow men. In your cause and in the cause of education, help me to give my best in the spirit of charity, humility, and wisdom. Grant me a heart that understands and the wisdom to know what is right, that I may carry out my mission with a sense of dedication and commitment. Bless our schools and my co-workers in this academic community, that in the tradition of great and dedicated teachers, may we bless with a hundredfold you promise to those who serve you with love. Amen.